Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your car battery in a Mercedes C200. In order to do this job without restarting the main computer of the car or reprogramming it, I'm going to connect this OBD2 cable under the steering wheel and keep the computer on with this startup battery, which will deliver 12 volts while I'm switching the batteries. So first I'm gonna go under here where there is a little cap which will open. I'm going to take the OBD2 cable and connect it. Next I'm going to take this 12 volt socket and plug in into this little adapter, which will connect to the starter battery, just like so. And now I'm good to go to replace the battery. In my case, I have to remove this cabin filter first. I'm going to open the terminals, minus is off, and I'm going to isolate the terminal, disconnecting the plus terminal, and I will isolate it like so. It's more important to isolate the plus rather than minus, but I isolate both of them. Then down there you can see there is a bolt and there is another one. So I'm going to use a 13mm socket with an extension and open the bolts. You gotta make sure that you don't lose them. Probably it's a good idea to have a magnet with you to catch the bolts. Good, now I can take out the battery. And of course I checked before the voltage and the amperage. I've got 95 amps and 12 volts, and on the new one it's gonna be the same, 95 amps and 12 volts. And I check as well the sizes of the batteries. They have to be similar to fit inside there. I'm gonna place the new battery in. I'm going to hold this positive terminal up. I can make space for the battery, just like that. Cool, so now after the battery is on position, I'm going to take this metal bracket that holds the battery in place and put it there. The nuts, I'm going to screw them by hand first. So I'm going to connect the plus terminal back and connect the negative terminal. Now I can disconnect this power bank. I'm done changing the battery. Now I'm going to check if there are any problems with the car. There's nothing wrong, no check engine light, no errors. One more thing, if the ACP lights come on, you have to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and then all the way to the left, and that warning light should disappear. So it means I can tie the bracket now, place this little cap on and the cabin filter back. Good. Alright guys, that was it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, take care and I will see you soon.